We talk about one of those picture-perfect spring, summer days. Today was pretty high on the list.
I know. I talked about it a little bit earlier that today was going to be the pick of the week. I saw a lot of people out at the beach, and we probably all have sunburns to prove it.
Gotta be careful.
I know. You gotta use that UV. Gotta use that sunscreen. Anyways, so high temperatures today felt a lot like summer, and next week I'll talk about that in a little while. We'll also feel very summery today. Got to 75 here in Portland, got to 82 in Freiburg, 80 in Sanford, and we even had a bit of humidity out there too. However, in comparison to other days this week, we didn't see any rain showers because an area of high pressure meant we didn't have much instability in the atmosphere. We were able to pop up some cumulus clouds later in the afternoon, but we didn't see any precipitation formed by any of those. Now, I do want to mention quickly before we start talking about the hour by hour that tomorrow we do have a marginal or a 1 out of 5 risk for some severe weather in the southern 2/3 of the state. So we're going to closely monitor some of those showers and storms that'll be popping up tomorrow afternoon and early evening, particularly closer to the coastline. So overnight tonight, even after the sun sets, it'll still be pretty warm. In fact, a lot of us will still be in the upper 60s until early tomorrow morning. A couple of showers up north in Aroostook County possible overnight tonight. And then here's where we're going to start to flip the script for Friday. So we're going to have a strong cold front that's going to be moving through. And in fact, it'll start to move into areas of northern Maine at about 2 or 3 in the morning. However, it's going to take almost the entire day to cross the state. That means we'll kind of have that first area of showers move through early in the morning. So this is right about at 8 in the morning. Overall, it'll be a touch cooler and we'll see a lot more cloud cover in comparison to today. Then we'll have that first band of showers go through the early morning. And then we'll actually have a bit of sunshine in the afternoon. And exactly how much sunshine we get will be very determinate in how much severe storms or thunderstorms in general that we're going to get because it adds that instability to the atmosphere. So here's Friday at 4 p.m. We'll start to pop up some of those showers and thunderstorms, particularly right around Lewiston and Bangor and then south towards the coastline. And then this front is going to stall right along the coastline. So overnight, we'll still see kind of those showers continuing into early Saturday morning. And then those will start to move out of the area as the cold front does too. So Saturday morning, this is 9 a.m. We might still see a couple of showers in down east Maine, but the rest of the state is starting to clear out. And it sets us up for a really nice weekend, a little bit cooler than it was today, but really plenty of sunshine to talk about as we get into Sunday. So I want to talk about the chance for a big heat coming up next week. So keep in mind our average high temperature here is 73 degrees, which is almost all the way along the bottom. So we're going to have a large ridge of high pressure move in, particularly Tuesday and even until Friday of next week. So this is some raw model data for Lewiston, putting temperatures up into the mid 90s. So we are watching the potential for a heat wave coming up for next week. Marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet, have a small craft advisory until Friday at 8 p.m. there. And then here's our look at our 7-day forecast. So tomorrow is going to be the best chance for some stronger storms, temps getting into the upper 70s to lower 80s. And then that sets us up for a really nice weekend. A couple of showers might linger along the down east coastline early Saturday morning. Temps a little bit cooler in the mid to upper 70s. But Brian and Amanda, Father's Day looks like a great day to be outside. Highly recommend.
We will enjoy it. All right, Dana, thank you.